YouTube. You don't know what time it is, you know. You don't know it done back in a lab with another exclusive reaction. Yo, gang, me have some exclusive phone. Vybz Kartel 2 song off a new album get leaked. And we have 2 out of this, one out of 2 of them. You know, God is the greatest. We're gonna check it out right now. Exclusive, me I bring you know. Okay. Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel, God is the greatest. This leak off a new Viking 10th anniversary album release. And yo, we get a piece of it, gang. We have to bring it to them. I bring these exclusive to them, man. Yeah, man. Yo, gang. That's one all of the vibe much longer. We just listen to it a tape that bad. Then this, yo, man. Yo, Kartel is treating us, man. This man only been on for like 6-7 months, so no. Not even a year now, gang. And the man I deal with the place, so yo, Vybz Kartel, God is the greatest. Let's get it.
God is the greatest. No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah.
No matter where I go through, you know, count your blessings. That's a fact. Yeah, man.
May not care who like me. Just short street. Yeah, well, today is a new day. Give thanks a life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe. With Red Boom, DJ and Moon, and me born to fight.
Come on, gang. Yo. Yeah, wait.
Me a wall of vibe. With Red Boom, DJ and Moon, and me born to fight.
Yes.
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
All these around us, blessings surround us. So you mean, man, give God thanks all the time.
I care who like me. Make us go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
That's a fact. We don't care who like. We just a show love, you know, and go on. Hey, go on.
Me not care who like me. Make us go and show love. And the Lord is around us.
Yes.
In blessings surround us.
Yes.
Me not care who like me. Make us go and show love.
I mean, Lord around us, a blessing around us. Dan Mafia, you know say, come true.
Far me I come from.
Far.
But a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. Far me I come from.
See it and you feel how far we are come from. Go on, you.
Life has meaning. Get to you keep on believing.
Life have meaning. Get to you go and believe. Hey, this bad. Powerful tune from Kartel, you know, man. Come true.
Get to you keep on believing. So see it and feel. Oh,
yes.
Life is so rough sometimes.
Yeah, man. Me not want to bust a shan on a song like this. Me want to bust a shan. One time for the one time. Go on through.
Heaven hear me cry. I feel do something with my life. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us.
Coming. On to them. Yes, sir.
No matter
Can't play one time.
Count
God is the greatest. Remember that, you know.
your blessings, yeah. May not care who like me.
Hey, we don't care who like with that Mafia. We just out there show love and do the do. Don't think, want you?
Well, today is a new day.
Yes.
Give thanks a life. All praises to the Lord. Me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me.
No, sir. Now make them stress me. Go on through.
All a vibe. With Red Boom, DJ and Moon, and me born to fight. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. May not care who like me. Make us go and show love.
Lord's around us, man. I'm not feeling blessings, man. Blessings around me, you know. Yeah, man. We don't care.
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. May not care who like me. Make us go and show love. Oh, far me I come from.
We are come true.
But a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it.
See it and you feel. Go on through. See it and you feel. What come true? Yes, man. Come
me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon, and my born to fight. And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go show love. And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go show love.
You know you're the wickedest upload.
Yes, man. Big up on the damn self. Vybz Kartel, the Viking. You see me? The king of the dance hall. Yeah, man. The one I name God is the greatest. This half of the yeah, God is the greatest. This half of the Viking 10th anniversary release, man. Exclusive. Me a drop phone. They want to get a leak early, gang. I'll drop this phone right now. You see me? I say big up on the damn self, gang. Love you, know. You don't know what time it is. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. If you like it, show that to some of our support, making us the dancing, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, man, doing crazy reaction on a stream later, gang. Today's actually my birthday, so yeah, big up on the damn self. I'm thinking about doing a birthday stream, so look out for me going live after this. Is me, I say, gang. Yeah, the next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.